Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable mono audio for your earbuds Energy System Style 4. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on the iPhone. Then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to also check this part to find a similar path to these settings. Okay, on your iPhone, open Settings. Then we need to go to Accessibility, what located under the General Settings, so maybe you need to scroll down a bit. Click at the Accessibility, then scroll down again, and in the Hearing we have Audio and Visual line. You need to tap at this line, and right here at the third line, or if you have iOS 26 at the fourth line, you will find Mono Audio. To enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. If you want to disable mono audio, you need to also tap one time at the slider near to it, but if the slider have colorful background. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android device, open Settings. And then we need to go to Accessibility. I have stock Android, and on stock Android accessibility located at the bottom in the settings. So we need to scroll down, enter into Accessibility, then scroll down again, and you need to find Audio Adjustment. So also at the bottom. Tap at this line. And right here we have Mono Audio. To enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. To disable this mode, you need to also tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!